Guys, well, we just missed sunset. Well, it's still ongoing, but the clouds are there. Still, it's kind of like beautiful, right? Wow. There's a car coming. Is this car coming for us? I have the feeling it is. Thank you so much. Oh, well, yeah, I thank you so much.
Yeah, take your.
My regards to Uncle.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Bye bye.
Okay.
Alright, cool. So, we actually got pizza from Tunku, His Royal Highness. Cool. We have eaten already, but you know, you can never eat too much. So, we actually had dinner, but you know, His Royal Highness Tunku, thank you so much. It's very considerate. Today we actually did not do anything with the help of the Istana Royal Palace, and so well anyway. And then the head of security wrote me a WhatsApp before and said, well, he wanted to invite us again, but we had to finish some business, and so well, at least let me send you some dinner, some pizza. So well, and this is Pizza Hut, and that's why I'm making the video, because what is Pizza Hut like in Malaysia? Olive? Ooh. Oh well, let's just open all of them and just have a good share.
It smells so yummy.
Yes, it does. Well,
good that I didn't eat much before.
What do you? Yeah, well, I did eat a lot actually, but that's okay. I'll just have it. Well, you go help yourself.
Didn't would probably like this.
Yeah, I'll try this. Well, please help yourself.
Yeah.
Well, let me. Oh, well.
I want to
All right.
What? Which one do you want, Dylan?
I think
Check it
this
out.
one is the
Yeah, eat. Ah, wow. This is a pepperoni pizza. Proper pizza, right? You like it? You like the pizza? That's a yes. How do you guys like
I
it?
already said yum.
Yeah, you did it.
And I didn't say yum, I said yum. Yum, yum,
Amazing. Huh?
It was good.
Now I want a different pizza. Now I want a different slice. Pineapple on pizza, I told you.
I think there's pineapple on
You
this
want
one.
one of this?
Yes. A police officer doing something illegal.
No. Pineapple on pizza is illegal, but they know that. So this is probably not pineapple. It's probably potato.
That's why the police brought it.
Yeah.
Because it was illegal.
Well, Chuanko can do whatever he wants, though. He's probably the only person in Paris who can get away with pizza and with pineapple. That's true.
I like it.
It's just a pineapple pizza.
Hello, pineapple.
Pizza on pineapple, huh? What? It's supposed to be pineapple on pizza.
Is it pineapple? It is. Well, I'm not gonna have that one, but I'll try this one. No, let's try this one. Oh, there's another pie.
But it's meat too.
Oh, okay.
Meat. Oh, fish.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Well, this seems to be lots of cheese here. I'll check it out.
Can
And what's it called?
That's what I want.
Mushrooms.
Wait. Wait. I'll give you.
It has a hint of sweetness, believe it or not. Can you imagine that in Malaysia? Food
Very sweet.
having a
Yeah.
hint of sweet?
The pineapple.
Not even here.
Oh.
The Malaysians love sweet. They're big they're big sugar lovers. It's good though. I mean,
I want it.
you know, usually we have eaten at 6 o'clock. Usually we eat at 6 o'clock. Now it's like almost 9 o'clock. So that's okay. We'll make an exception. We are very grateful to His Royal Highness. No, you don't want the pineapple. It's actually our first time pizza in Malaysia. It is what it is.
Yeah.
I've been wondering about this.
Pizza.
No, this is very international for us. I mean, it has a hint of sweet. That is true. But other than that,
Red meat
it's
is
Pizza
very
Hut.
good.
Pepperoni.
It is really sweet.
Me too.
Pineapple.
This is pineapple.
No,
Yeah.
it's a mushrooms.
Yeah. And it's all a bit sweet. It has a little bit of a sweet.
You like the
Touch.
Yeah. You said in the night.
And it's thick pizza. Not American style pizza. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's a very short video.
You can't
Because-
know what.
Yeah, you're eating a little bit of pizza, and that's that, right? Guys, so I'm going to break off that video. It's a very short video. There's some people that want really short videos, and now those needs, they're satisfied, right? Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Satisfied too.
Yeah. You want to say bye-bye, Dylan? Huh? Yeah, you look into the camera when you say, this is my phone. You don't.
It's games on the phone.
It's a game on the
Yeah,
phone.
that was when you bought the phone. There was games.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, take good care, right? Everybody said bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And long live Tuanku Raja Muda. And of course his father too, and the daughter too. And you know, basically the whole royal family. May God save all of them. Thank you so much for this past, what was it, like 12 days. We spent 12 days in Perlis. We had great days. And we hope we will be back one day. Inshallah, we will. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.